What's up guys, and welcome to another camera test comparison between the Reno 3 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. As both of the smartphones comes with a quad camera setup, but the Reno 3 Pro is the latest one. So let's find out which one of the smartphone camera is better between the Reno 3 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. Also I have did speed test comparison and PUBG mobile test on both of the smartphones. If you are interested in that videos, the link is available right in the description. After watching this video, you guys will be able to find out the best camera smartphone between the Reno 3 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about both of the smartphones. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest smartphones comparison, camera comparison, speed test and much more.